Hello, today's book is Pigs Make Me Sneeze. Achoo! Sneeze. 재채기. Ooh, wow, he sneezed a lot. Let's take a look. Ooh. Ooh, pigs make me sneeze. Him? Pig allergy? Allergy? 아니. Wah, 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 wah. Gerald! What do you want to do today? Good question. What do you want to do today? I want, yes? A what? A ball? A swim? A hat? Choo! Achoo! He sneezed. Sniff. Oh, are you okay? Oh, I do not know. Chew! I cannot stop chew! Wow, he keeps sneezing. Oh my goodness. Sneezing. Ooh, oh, piggy. Oh no! What if? What if? What if pigs make me sneeze? Oh my. Achoo! Ooh, big sneeze. Piggy says, what if you tried to sneeze more softly? 조금 더 부드럽게. Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. If you're next to me, 우리 가까우면 돼지 알레르기 어떻게? Then we cannot be friends. Oh no. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. Don't talk, piggy, Gerald said. It is too late. Oh. Pig's got a helmet. She's ready. Choo! Goodbye. Gerald? Oh, it's the cat doctor. Sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Checking. Pigs make me sneeze. Ooh. And Piggy is a pig. Oh my. Checking temperature. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Cat allergy. Fun. Checking. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. 감기. Cold. 감기 거렸어요? Cold. A cold? You are sick. 알레르기 아니야. 감기. Cold. I am sick. Yay! Now he can see Piggy. Oh, thank you, doctor. Someone happy to be sick? Piggy! Great news! I have a cold! Good for you. Elephant got Piggy sick. Elephant gave Piggy the cold. Aw. Piggy. Pigeon.